Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you an in-depth review of the OMTech Spectra E3 Plus UV flatbed printer, a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their printing experience. From commercial printing to customization, this device promises to deliver high-quality prints with ease and efficiency. Let's dive right in and see what it has to offer. One of the key features that caught my attention is the increase in printing efficiency that the OMTech Spectra E3 Plus UV flatbed printer provides. With a commercial printing speed of 2.4 m/hour, a printhead speed of 400 mm per second, and an acceleration of 1,770 mm per second, this printer is designed to help you complete more orders faster and improve your daily production efficiency. Imagine being able to take on more projects and deliver them on time without compromising on quality. This is a huge plus for businesses looking to scale up their operations and for individuals who want to maximize their productivity. Whether you're printing on a large scale or just need to get a lot done quickly, this printer's speed and efficiency are sure to impress. Another aspect that really stands out is the professional print quality and ink technology. The OMTech Spectra A3 Plus supports CMYK plus white plus gloss/varnish printing, which means you can achieve vivid colors, strong surface abrasion resistance, and excellent adhesion durability. The open ink platform is also a major advantage, as it allows you to use professional UV inks without being locked into expensive proprietary systems. This freedom to choose your ink gives you more control over your costs and the quality of your prints. Plus, with the ability to print high-quality commercial products, you can expand your services and offer more to your clients. The print quality is truly exceptional, and I've been blown away by the level of detail and color accuracy it achieves. The large format desktop printing capability of the OMTech Spectra A3 Plus is also a significant feature. With a printing area of 13.8 by 17.7 inches and a print height of 5.5 inches, you can directly print on a variety of materials such as wood, acrylic, metal, glass, and even leather. This opens up a world of possibilities for customization and personalization, allowing you to create unique products that stand out. Whether you're a business looking to offer bespoke items or an individual wanting to add a personal touch to your projects, this printer's large format capabilities make it an invaluable tool. The potential for creativity and innovation is vast, and I'm excited to see what users will come up with. In addition to its impressive features, the OMTech Spectra A3 Plus also boasts smart and easy printing capabilities. With AI HD image optimization, automatic background removal, and one-click white ink and gloss printing, this printer is designed to make your workflow more efficient. These features reduce the need for manual adjustments, saving you time and effort. The printer also includes automatic printhead cleaning and a protective white ink circulation system, which helps prevent clogging and keeps the printheads in good working condition. This means less downtime and more productivity, making it ideal for commercial use. The system's ability to perform regular circulation maintenance ensures that the printheads remain healthy, reducing the risk of production interruptions. The OMTech Spectra A3 Plus UV flatbed printer is also designed with safety in mind. It uses GRE and GUARD Gold certified low VOC inks, which support safer indoor commercial printing environments. This is a significant consideration for businesses and individuals who value sustainability and the well-being of their employees and customers. The printer's stable commercial production capabilities and automatic maintenance features also contribute to a safer and more reliable printing experience. In conclusion, the OMTech Spectra A3 Plus UV flatbed printer is an exceptional device that offers a unique combination of efficiency, quality, and versatility. Whether you're a business looking to expand your services or an individual seeking to unlock your creative potential, this printer is sure to impress. With its high-speed printing, professional-grade print quality, and large format capabilities, it's an investment that can help you achieve your goals and take your printing to the next level. So, if you're ready to experience the future of printing, find the link in the description below to get your hands on the OMTech Spectra A3 Plus UV flatbed printer. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your printing experience and take your business or hobby to new heights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.